In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up weather alerts on Alexa. First, let's open the Alexa app on your mobile device. If you're using an iPhone or an Android, locate the app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap the app icon to launch it. Once the app opens, you may notice its sleek interface designed for easy navigation. This is where all the magic happens. By opening the app, you're setting the stage for customizing Alexa to meet your weather alert needs. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This is important because it ensures you can find everything you need quickly and efficiently. Now that the app is open, look for the microphone icon or the text entry field that says Ask Alexa. Tap on it to activate the voice or text input feature. If you choose to type, a keyboard will appear. This is a simple yet powerful tool, allowing you to communicate directly with Alexa. It's essential to provide clear instructions so Alexa can assist you effectively. This step sets the foundation for your search, ensuring that you can find the right skills for weather alerts. Next, type in the word skills and send your query. As you type, you may notice suggestions appearing. This feature helps you find what you need faster. Once you send the word skills, Alexa will respond with options related to skills available in the app. Skills are like apps for Alexa, expanding its capabilities. This is a critical step because it enables you to access a variety of weather-related skills that can send alerts directly to your device. From there, you'll want to search for and enable a weather skill that supports notifications. Browse through the results carefully, as there may be several options. Look for skills that specifically mention weather alerts or notifications. When you find one that suits your needs, tap on it to open its details. You might see user ratings and descriptions. This information is helpful in choosing a reliable skill. Enabling the right skill is vital because it determines the type of alerts you will receive. After selecting a weather skill, open the skill's settings within the app. Look for a section labeled Notifications. If the skill supports notifications, you will see an option to enable them. Tap on it to turn on notifications. This step is crucial because enabling notifications allows the skill to send you alerts about weather changes in your area. You'll be informed promptly, helping you stay prepared for any conditions. Now, allow notification permissions when prompted. This step typically involves a pop-up message asking for your consent to send notifications. Make sure to accept this permission. By granting these permission settings, you ensure that the weather skill can send you timely alerts and updates. It's a small step that makes a significant difference in how you receive important weather information. Alexa-compatible skills can send proactive weather alerts when you grant notification permission. Keep in mind that availability may depend on the skill and your region. This is an important aspect to remember, as not all skills may offer notifications in every area. However, once you have successfully set everything up, you'll be better prepared for any weather changes ahead. With that, you're all set to receive weather alerts through Alexa. You have taken the necessary steps to ensure you stay informed about the weather. Now you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that Alexa will keep you updated. Thank you for following along and happy alert setting.